What's up, guys? Derek Johnson. Just wanted to shoot this quick video from right here in my living room. This is a $10 desk I bought from a garage sale. I just wanted to show you 7 months ago I had no digital marketing experience at all. I took the One Funnel Away challenge, some of you may as well, and it kind of opened my mind up to the possibilities of everything you can do online. And what I want to do is really help people succeed. I know a lot of people get in, their minds are shifted, but they don't know what to do next. So what I want to do is give you all the tools you need. If you've already taken the One Funnel Away challenge, that's completely fine. A lot of people go through multiple times and they get more out of it each time. One of the good bonuses of taking the One Funnel Away challenge is that Facebook community, because you can get people to bounce ideas off of. And of course, the bonus stack is another good reason to take the One Funnel Away challenge multiple times. So what you're going to get from me, if you sign up with my affiliate link, you can check out below. It's a lot of great bonuses. I put this together over the last 7 months from working with some of the best marketers on the planet. I highly recommend you hop in if you haven't yet. And if this is your second time, third time, fourth time, really keep pushing. Take these bonuses, apply them in your business, and get to that next level. Appreciate you.